Let's continue our series, Manychat in 2 minutes. The featured question: is Manychat only just for big accounts? Believe it or not, I actually see this topic mentioned quite a lot in comments and thread posts. Many seem to complain that Manychat is only for big Instagram accounts, but I'm sorry to say I couldn't disagree more. Manychat might actually be more beneficial for smaller accounts. I've witnessed this myself with clients and peers who have used Manychat to do as I always recommend: grow, sell, and engage more. See, small Instagram accounts have more potential than larger accounts, especially when you factor in how Instagram's algorithm has recently changed to favor accounts under 100,000 followers. But at the end of the day, using ManyChat in comparison to not using it can only be seen as an advantage, especially when we consider how it works. And automation feeds off engagement and turns comments and DMs into views and reach, which continues the chat marketing cycle over and over. Any size Instagram account can benefit from ManyChat and DM automation when used properly. So no, ManyChat is not only just for big accounts. I hope this answers your question. By the way, since you're interested in ManyChat, I have something I know you're gonna love, and it's free. Check out my 3-in-1 Manychat freebie that'll help you improve your current Manychat setup and increase your conversions. You'll get access to 50 suggested keywords that are proven to be used more with less incidental DM triggers. No more apologizing for messages your chatbot accidentally sent. And how about 100 call to action specifically focused to entice more viewers to comment those suggested keywords and receive your automated messages? Last, a few effective strategies and tips that'll provide deeper insight on how to make your ManyChat automations better for you and your leads. To get the 3-in-1 Manychat freebie, you can do one of the following. 1. Scan this QR code on the screen. Or 2. Visit the link on my YouTube channel to get access to everything I listed. This is your opportunity to begin working smarter, not harder, with Manychat and DM automation. Get your freebie now.